7:32 right now. Time to get some of those questions you've been sending in answered, and we turn to Fox 26 senior legal analyst Chris Tritico. Good morning, and thanks for being here again, Chris.
Good morning, Jose.
All right, we're going to start with Janie right now. My son was falsely accused of family violence by his mother of his children. It's the second time in 6 years he has been arrested for that. The first time he actually called the police on her for taking his car, but she lied and said he hit her. The judge locked him up. This time, doubled his bail. We paid a new bond and hired a lawyer. However, he was placed on 24/7 house arrest. The house arrest cost him his job. Now he's about to lose his home and car. Any advice?
So bail cannot be used as an instrument of oppression. In a condition of bail that is a condition that's an instrument of oppression such as this is unreasonable. Get your lawyer to file a motion to modify that condition of bail so that he can go to work. They should put an ankle monitor on him or something like that to allow him to go to work. If the judge denies that, then you need to file what's called a writ of habeas corpus attacking that unreasonable condition of bail. These take a long time and can be expensive, but that's the only means to attack that. Good luck.
Now to a question from Dorothy, who writes, my husband and I lived at a property for 3.5 years. We returned the property to the landlord on December 4th, 2021. We were completely paid up on rent. We even received his signature that the property was returned in good condition. But the landlord keeps stalling on returning our deposit. Lately, he won't return our calls, text, or emails. We sent a certified return receipt letter on January 12th. What else can we do to get our deposit back?
You've done everything you have to do. The landlord has 30 days to return your deposit and or give you a list of reasons why he's not returning the deposit. He failed in his legal obligation. So either contact the lawyer of your choice or just go to the JP court that's closest to where the property was and file suit against him. You're entitled to the actual damages, which is the amount of the deposit, plus 3 times that amount and your attorney's fees. Even if you don't hire a lawyer, put in there you want your attorney's fees in case you have to hire one later. Good luck.
Now to a question from Michael, who writes, I worked for an oil refinery in Texas City for the past 13 years. I worked a total of 17 years with the company. I got a DWI and was terminated for not reporting my arrest fast enough. I told my supervisor the day I returned to work, which was 3 days later. I have been on FMLA for high anxiety due to having a heart attack at work. The day I was arrested, I called into work because I was having high anxiety. Since other employees have been arrested and not fired, I feel like I've been singled out. Is there anything I can do?
Well, it seems like this may be an issue regarding your FMLA and them targeting you because of the FMLA. And that's what I want you to take a look at. Contact the lawyer of your choice that handles employment issues and talk to them about the FMLA and the targeting of that. That may be the issue here. I don't know if you can prove it, but that's what I would want to look at. Good luck.
Always great responses. Thanks a lot, Chris. Now we're going to let our viewers know that if they want to send you their legal questions, they should go to our website, fox26houston.com. You can find Chris's segments under the Morning News tab. And as always, for any specific information and advice, as Chris says, contact an attorney of your choice.